What's up? I'm here with the division run for the second half. Get this knocked out of the way, so you guys can do any wheeling dealing before the second half. All right. Here's that list. All right. Damn it. We'll take it live. I'll show you the list. How about that? Time is 10:26 a.m. Central Time. There's the list. Andrew, Clint, Xanis, Dennis, Zach, Justin. Roll dice. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Money shot. Zach on top, Andrew on bottom. Oops. Got to open this up. Oh, we're doing that's popping open. We'll come over here. We'll do 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. AL East on top. Still loading. All right, Zach AL East, Dennis AL Central, Clint NL East, Justin AL West, Zach Dennis NL West, Andrew NL Central. So there we have it. Good luck, everybody. 3 Eastern Time. 10:27.